the box. This is everything that comes inside. Here, you have a plastic bag, and inside the plastic bag, you have the AirGuard washer. Here, you see our logo, and also it tells you which side is up. And then you have the widening spacer that goes into here, like so. And you want to do it like this because the spacer gives support to the AirGuard itself to hold up. So that's the best way to do that. All right, so and then you have also the gooseneck. So this part is sliding in the back of the dental chair, and here you can tighten like so or loosen. Well, let's loosen it up right now so we can slide it on very easy. Okay, so I'm going to straighten this up a little bit. So this is the part the AirGuard goes on to. Once you slide the AirGuard in there, it's best to hold it right here on the thumb on the tab, and then you want to get the washer. As I'm putting the washer in here, I'm threading the washer on into the AirGuard. I'm sorry, onto the articulated arm here, or you can call it the gooseneck. So I'm twisting, as you can see here, I'm twisting the gooseneck onto, I'm twisting the washer onto the gooseneck. Now I have it up, and as you can see, you want to have it right in the middle, as you can see right there. Okay. Now you're almost complete. Okay. Almost complete. Make sure it's tight. And let's go to the dental chair. So everyone has, this is a dental chair. So what you want to do is first remove the pillow. Once the pillow has been removed, then most chairs you may have to elevate it up a little bit so you can see the neck of the back of the pillow. So here you're going to be attaching to right here. So I'm going to bring it down just a little bit, and then what I'm going to do is slide this on. Before I lock it down, I'm going to push it down to where I like it. And then now it's on, and then just twist it to lock it. All right. Now once it's locked, you can then put the pillow back on. And now when the pillow's back on, you have the chair mount already assembled. So the best way for patients to come in and out, I like to keep it like this. But it's clearly up to you. You can hold it in this position, or you can hold it in this position. Either or, the patient come in from the left side or from the right side, and when they sit in the chair, you can just push it down over them, just like so.